Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys, where I teach you how to play the piano. Let's move the mic a little bit closer. Alright, this one is I Want You Back by the Jackson 5. This one is in A flat. The second one on Google, Ultimate Guitar, is correct. The first one was incorrect. This one is correct. A flat. Alright. This song actually starts with a bass line. Alright, let's try and do it. I'm going to try and do it in both hands. That's kind of how it starts, right? A flats. Let's make sure you can see the notes that I play. I believe you can. There we go. We go back to the B flat. That was a semitone movement there. Oops. Alright, let's go again. Just the right hand. I want you back. Alright, that's the intro. That bass line stays throughout the song. It's very prevalent. Let's move on from that introduction bass line and hit the A flat chord, and then let's move it down to a G in the bass and then an F minor. Let's also make sure that you can actually see, if I just slide this over, you'll still be able to see the bass notes that I'm going to be playing now. Let's see, I should be able to slide that over in the video in real time, because that's where we're going to go to. All the way down there. Let's do even more. So we want to be around there so that you can see the bass notes. Okay, A flat with A flat in the bass, then A flat with G in the bass, then F minor, then E flat, then D flat. D flat stays, but the bass moves down to C, B flat minor, E flat, and then F minor. I know it's a lot. A flat, B flat minor. And that's it. It's so simple, but not really. Let's try it again. Let me tell you now. And again. A flat, G in the bass, F minor, E flat, D flat over C, B flat, E flat, F minor, D flat, A flat, B flat, E flat, A flat. Oh my goodness, it's quite the mouthful, it's quite difficult, it's a lot of chords all at once. When I had you to myself, I didn't want you around. I'm gonna try and sing this song in tune and not mess it up. Okay, when I had you to myself. Maybe I should sing it up the octave. When I had you to myself, I didn't want you around. A flat to D flat. Those pretty faces always made you. We're gonna go F minor to D flat to A flat. Those pretty faces always made you. Let's play them in time. Those pretty faces always made you. B flat minor, stand out in the crowd. B flat, E flat, A flat, like that. Stand out in the crowd. And someone picked you from the bunch. One glance was all it took. And now it's much too late for me. Take a second look. I want you back. Alrighty, that's the first verse. We're going into the chorus now. And if this is hard for you, just take those chords one at a time. In fact, let me play them for you slowly for that verse. When I had you to myself. Okay, A flat to D flat. I didn't want you around. Let's do them slower. F minor. Pretty faces always seem. F minor to D flat. Always seem. Those pretty faces always made you. That was F minor. Pretty faces always D flat. Made you. A flat. B flat minor, stand out in. B flat minor to E flat, stand out in the crowd. And then it's a repeat of that. Someone took you from the bunch, one glance was all it took. Now it's much too late for me. Take a second look. Alright, chorus. It's the same chords pretty much. Oh baby, give me one more chance. Show you that I love you. Kind of. But it's the chords we used at that introduction again. So you've seen them before in the intro. A flat, G in the bass, F minor, E flat, C in the bass, over that B flat, over the D flat, sorry. Bum, bum, B flat. Show you that I love you. F minor. Won't you please let me back in your heart? Won't you please let me back in your heart? Oh, darling, I was blind to let you go, baby. Straight to E flat, but then F minor. But now since I see you in his arms, I want you back. And there's a drum hit there, I want you back, but you could play it. In his arms, I want you back. You could do that. I want you back, yes I do now. I want you back, ooh baby. I want you back, yeah, 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 yeah. I want you back, na, 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 na. And we go into verse 2. A flat again. Trying to live without your love. It's one long sleepless night, D flat. F minor, we can put the 7 on. Let me show you, girl, to D flat to A flat, that I know wrong from right. Oops, B flat, wrong note in the bass. A flat, okay, let's do it again. Let me show you, girl, F minor, D flat, A flat, that B flat minor, I know E flat, wrong from right. Every street you walk on, I leave tear stains on the ground, following you go. Again, I hit a wrong bass note because I'm looking at the lyrics. Following you go, I don't even want around. Well, let me tell you now. Chorus again. Oh, baby, all I need is one more chance. How could I make this easier for you? Chorus, let's just do the bass line first. Just with one note at a time. It goes down to F minor there. Let's do it again. Bum, 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 bum. We could go up to F. Bum, 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 bum. With the chords and just one bass note. Oops. B flat to E flat. The second time, but now since I've seen you in his arms, we go the second time for that chorus, or the second half. Oh, darling, I was blind and let you go, baby. But now since I see you in his arms, it goes back round again, because we end the chorus. But now since I see you in his arms, in his arms. There's an instrumental first, and then we go all I want, all I need, all I want. Let's actually scroll it up so I can read it. I think he goes all I want, all I need, all I want. Hit F minor on the F chord. All I need. We got 5 times. Actually, so 3 times of that. 3 times for an interlude. And then we go into interlude part 2, which is 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For excuse me. Oh, got some dust coming in there. That's 1 time. That's 2. All I want. All I need. All I want. All I need. And then we're done with that. And we can go into the outro. Quite frankly, no Trump impressions. It's going to be easy. Oh, just one more chance. B flat minor to show you that I love you, baby. That outro again. Oh, just one more chance to show you that I love you, baby, 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 baby. Yeah, I want you back. It was F minor, D flat, A flat, B flat minor, E flat to A flat. And then actually it carries on. Sorry for the ending there, because it carries on with more of the outro. Forget what happened then, forget what happened then. Who sings that? One of the Jackson 5 sings that part, but not Michael, I don't think. One of the older brothers. It just goes to A flat. Forget what happened then. That's where that part is. Forget what happened then. Let me live again. And it goes back in. Love was blind, let you go, baby. But now since I see you in his arms, I want you back. Spare me off this course. Give me what I lost. Oh, baby, I just need one more chance to show you that I love you, baby. Ah, baby, yeah, I want you back, baby. D flat, ah, baby. E flat, A flat, I want you back. Okay, a lot of chords. Where's the solo? Someone commented on this. Yeah, where is the solo? Well, I'm not going to include the solo either. I'm just here to show you the chords. I think, having played along with the song, this is mostly correct. A few bits missing maybe, the solo specifically. And if you're putting this together with a band, think about the arrangement, think about who's going to sing and the backing vocals and all that good stuff. Guitar, you don't want to get in the way of guitar. These chords are right in the middle of the piano. Guitarist maybe might want to play something up here, some twiddly parts. Alrighty. But that will do for today. Just getting that bass line. Boom, 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 boom. I want you back. It's that bass line and it's those fast moving chords. Do what I'm doing. Keep them as close together as you can. Let's move on to another song, either by the Jackson 5 or maybe someone else, like, who else have I been teaching lately? John Mayer. Slow Dancing in a Burning Room is my next song to learn by him. So, as always, if you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. And if you have any requests, please drop them in the comments below. Ciao.